Choosing the right toys for your new kitten is a crucial part of ensuring they are happy, healthy, and well-adjusted as they grow. The right toys not only keep your kitten entertained but also play an important role in their physical and mental development. Kittens have a lot of energy, and having a variety of toys available allows them to explore, play, and develop essential skills in a safe and fun environment. When selecting toys, it's important to consider the kitten's age, personality, and preferences, as well as safety and durability. One of the first things to consider when choosing toys for your kitten is their developmental stage. Kittens go through several phases in their early months, and their toys should cater to their changing needs. In the first few weeks of life, kittens are mostly focused on eating and sleeping, but as they approach the 4 to 6 week mark, they become more active and curious. This is when they start to engage in play behaviors, and you'll want to provide them with toys that stimulate their senses and encourage movement. Soft, lightweight toys such as small balls or plush toys are ideal for this stage because they are easy for kittens to bat around with their paws or carry in their mouths. At around 8 to 10 weeks, kittens begin to develop stronger coordination and a greater interest in chasing and pouncing. This is when interactive toys like feather wands or strings can help your kitten hone its predatory instincts. These types of toys encourage your kitten to stalk, chase, and jump, mimicking the hunting behaviors they would use in the wild. These toys also help to build muscles and improve coordination, which is important for their physical development. However, it's essential to supervise your kitten while they play with these types of toys, as they can be easily swallowed or become entangled. Another great toy option for kittens is puzzle toys. These toys are designed to challenge a kitten's mind and help develop problem-solving skills. Puzzle feeders and treat dispensing toys encourage your kitten to think and work for their food, which can help prevent boredom and encourage them to be more active. Not only do these toys keep your kitten mentally stimulated, but they can also help slow down eating if your kitten tends to eat too quickly, which can reduce the risk of digestive issues. Tunnels and play structures are another excellent addition to your kitten's toy collection. These toys provide your kitten with places to hide, climb, and explore. Tunnels mimic the natural environment where kittens may seek shelter or pounce on prey. And they provide a great outlet for your kitten's energy. These toys can also give your kitten a sense of security, as they can retreat into the tunnel when feeling overwhelmed or tired. Many tunnels come with additional features, like attached dangling toys or crinkly fabric, which adds extra fun and excitement. Of course, balls are a staple of kitten toys. Whether they are simple rubber balls, jingle balls, or ping-pong balls, these toys provide endless entertainment. Balls are great for encouraging your kitten to chase, bat, and toss them around, helping to develop their reflexes and agility. Opt for lightweight balls that are easy for kittens to move around and avoid toys that are too small, as these could pose a choking hazard. When choosing toys, it's also important to consider safety. Kittens are known for exploring the world with their mouths, so any toy you choose should be free from small parts that could be ingested. Additionally, make sure that the materials used to make the toys are non-toxic and safe for chewing. Avoid toys with long strings or ribbons unless you are closely supervising your kitten while they play, as these can be dangerous if swallowed or entangled around their neck. Variety is key when selecting toys for your kitten. Just like humans, kittens get bored of playing with the same thing over and over, so rotating toys regularly can help keep things exciting for your kitten. Keep a selection of toys available at all times, and when you notice your kitten losing interest in one, swap it out for something new. This will keep your kitten's environment stimulating and help prevent boredom. Kittens also enjoy toys that mimic the behavior of prey animals. Toys that make noise, such as squeaky mice or crinkly material, capture your kitten's attention and encourage them to engage in play. These types of toys tap into your kitten's natural instincts, and the sound can keep them entertained for hours. Soft, plush toys that resemble small animals can also serve as a comfort object for your kitten, especially when they are feeling a bit anxious or need a nap. Don't forget about the power of catnip. Many kittens enjoy the effects of catnip, which can make playtime even more exciting. Catnip toys can encourage your kitten to be more active and playful, and they can even help to alleviate stress or anxiety. However, not all kittens respond to catnip, as sensitivity to it is hereditary, so if your kitten doesn't seem interested, don't worry, there are plenty of other toys they will love. As your kitten matures, their toy preferences may change, and it's important to keep an eye on what engages them the most. Some kittens may become more independent and less interested in interactive toys, while others may still love to chase and pounce well into their adult years. Pay attention to their behavior and adjust their toys accordingly, and don't forget to provide plenty of opportunities for mental and physical stimulation as they grow. Choosing the right toys for your kitten is an exciting part of being a pet parent. With the right selection, you can help your kitten develop important skills, provide them with hours of entertainment, and create a strong bond through play. Remember to always prioritize safety, provide variety, and monitor their playtime to ensure they stay happy and healthy. The right toys will not only keep your kitten entertained but will also help them thrive as they grow into a well-adjusted adult cat. As your kitten matures, it's also important to consider how their preferences and play behaviors evolve. While some kittens will grow out of certain toys as they reach adulthood, others will continue to enjoy the same activities, just with a different level of intensity or sophistication. For example, as they grow stronger and more coordinated, you may notice that your kitten enjoys chasing faster-moving toys or engaging in more complex play activities. This is a good time to introduce new toys that are more challenging, such as toys with multiple parts or features that require problem-solving. Interactive toys, such as motorized or battery-operated toys that move on their own, can be a great addition to your kitten's collection as they grow. These toys mimic the movement of prey and can keep your kitten engaged for longer periods. They can also help to tire your kitten out, especially if you're unable to engage and play with them as frequently. However, make sure to choose toys that are durable enough to withstand your kitten's natural instinct to pounce and claw at them. Scratching posts or pads are another important type of toy that should be included in your kitten's playtime. Scratching is a natural behavior for cats, and providing them with a designated place to scratch helps protect your furniture from damage. Scratching also helps your kitten stretch and tone their muscles, which is important for their physical development. There are many different types of scratching posts available, from vertical posts to horizontal pads, so be sure to experiment to see which style your kitten prefers. Some scratching posts are even infused with catnip to make them more attractive to your kitten. Playtime can also be a great opportunity to teach your kitten important behaviors and boundaries. By rewarding your kitten with treats for playing appropriately, such as chasing a toy instead of your hands, you can help guide them towards healthy play behaviors. Always avoid using your hands or fingers as toys, as this can encourage your kitten to bite or scratch you, thinking it's part of the game. Instead, use appropriate toys like feather wands, ropes, or balls to engage them in play. Additionally, always supervise your kitten during playtime, especially when using toys with small parts or materials that could be a choking hazard. While some toys are designed to be safe for kittens, it's important to regularly inspect them for any signs of wear or damage. Small parts or loose threads can present a danger, and you'll want to replace or remove any toys that are no longer safe. As your kitten grows, you may find that they start to develop preferences for certain types of toys. Some kittens may love the challenge of puzzle toys, while others may be more focused on chasing moving objects. Pay attention to what seems to engage your kitten the most, and use that information to build their toy collection. It's important to keep their playtime diverse and fun, offering a mix of interactive, mental, and physical stimulation to ensure they remain engaged and active. Introducing toys that allow for safe and supervised exploration of the environment, such as crinkly tunnels or treat dispensing balls, can also help keep your kitten engaged. These toys allow your kitten to explore their surroundings in a safe way while promoting natural curiosity and instinctual behaviors. Kittens are also highly motivated by texture, so varying the texture of their toys can help keep their interest. Some kittens may prefer the feel of soft, plush toys, while others may like the roughness of a sisal-covered scratching post or the bounce of a rubber ball. Experiment with different textures to discover what your kitten enjoys the most. It's important to offer a variety of textures and shapes, as this keeps playtime exciting and encourages exploration. The playtime experience is also a great bonding opportunity between you and your kitten. Playing with your kitten not only helps to satisfy their natural instincts but also strengthens your relationship. Regular play sessions build trust, and they can become a source of comfort and security for your kitten as they learn to associate you with positive experiences. Engaging in daily playtime with your kitten can be a great way to reduce any anxiety or stress they may feel, especially in a new environment. Finally, remember that kittens, like all animals, require balance. While playtime is essential for their development, they also need plenty of rest and downtime to recharge. Make sure your kitten has a quiet, safe space where they can retreat when they need a break from all the excitement. Providing both active playtime and rest ensures that your kitten grows into a well-rounded, happy, and healthy adult cat. By taking the time to carefully select toys that suit your kitten's needs, you can help them develop physically and mentally while strengthening your bond. Always consider safety, variety, and their personal preferences when building their toy collection. With the right toys, your kitten will have endless hours of fun and enrichment, leading to a lifetime of happiness and well-being.